आज इस लेक्चर में एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी एट द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, कैसे वो वेरी करती है। वेरिएशन इन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी। द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी g varies as we go above the surface of earth, and this is called effect of altitude. Or below the surface of earth, it is called effect of depth. In both the cases, as we move above the surface of the earth or we move inside to the surface of the earth, in both the cases acceleration due to gravity decreases. It also varies from place to place at the surface of earth, that is called effect of latitude and shape of earth. So there are four prominent part that acceleration due to gravity varies due to moving up to the surface, moving down to the surface of the earth, due to the latitude and due to the shape of the earth. So in this lecture, first we will consider first two. First is effect of altitude. In the diagram here we have shown that let it be, this is earth, O be the center of the earth, RE be the radius of earth, and let M is an object which is placed at point P, which is at a height h from the surface of the earth. So directly I am getting this equation. I am not going to solve the equation how it is coming. Later on when we will put all these in detail, then there I will solve this, prove this, that how this value comes. So here I am considering, because general topics I am taking, so I am considering only the equation. So g dash is equal to g over 1 plus h by re whole square. Here from the equation it is very clear that in the denominator 1 plus something and there is whole square. So ultimately if the denominator is greater than 1, then ultimately g dash decreases. So as we move up from the surface of the earth, g dash decreases, and g dash is the acceleration due to gravity at point P. G is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. H I have explained, m is the mass. Suppose I have considered that the object is placed at a distance equal to the distance of radius of earth. Suppose the radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. It is about 6,337 kilometer. Approximately average radius is to be taken this, but rounding it, we can suppose or we can have the radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. So h is equal to this. Therefore from equation g prime is equal to g over 1 plus re by re. Cancelling this re and re, it becomes 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 means 2 whole square is 4. So g by 4. That means if the object is placed at a height equal to the radius of earth, at a height 6,400 kilometer from the surface of earth, at that point the acceleration due to gravity decreases by 1/4. Let it be, suppose the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is approximately 10 meter per second square, 9.8 about 10 meter per second square. So 1/4 means 2.4, about 2.5 meter per second square will be the value of g at point P. So it shows that as we move up from the surface of the earth, the acceleration due to gravity decreases. In the same way we can calculate the acceleration due to gravity at moon also. putting the value that the distance between the earth and moon is about 60 RE. 60 RE means 60 times radius of earth, the distance between earth and moon. So we can calculate, and it is very less. It is about 1 by 3600 times of acceleration due to gravity of earth. So it is very negligible. Now second point is here from equation 1. Bring this denominator term to the numerator, 1 plus h by re whole square. When we bring this term to the numerator, it becomes minus 2. So here I am writing g dash is equal to g 1 plus h by re minus 2. Why I have written in this way? Now the second case is if h is small, negligible compared to the radius of earth. Means suppose I have supposed that the satellites are placed at a distance of 100 kilometer, 200 kilometer, 300 kilometer from the surface of the earth. In that case, this equation is applicable. Now expanding this equation binomially, whenever binomially the expansion is taken place, we usually put this minus 2 multiplication with this term, and the higher order terms are negligible, so we can leave these terms. So expanding this equation binomially, g dash is equal to g 1 minus 2 times h by re. Next term is h by re square, that becomes lesser than this one, and the other terms are h by re whole cube, h by re whole raised to the power 4. So the rest of the terms are so negligible, we can leave these terms here. So again from this equation, observing this equation, g multiplied by 1 minus something. 1 minus something means this bracket quantity decreases by 1, and if this bracket quantity decreases by 1, ultimately g dash decreases. So in the second case, again, if the object is placed at a height negligible to the radius compared to the radius of earth, then even the acceleration due to gravity decreases. So whether it is at any height, it decreases. But there are two ways to calculate. If it is more, then through this way, and if it is height is lesser, then binomially expanding the term and then get the value. Now come to the next point, effect of depth. Here this is the earth, this is the earth, this is the center of the earth, let it be O. Re is the radius, and now I have kept a body of mass m at point P, which is supposed to be placed at a height h from the surface of earth inside the earth, means at a depth of h. So this total distance is re. Now this is h, so this distance OP becomes re minus h. Re minus h. So now the body is placed at a distance re minus h from the center of O. Again, here I am not going to solve this equation. Later on we will take it. Now the equation is given as g dash is equal to g 1 minus h over re. Again, from this equation it is very clear that in the bracket quantity multiplied by g, and in the bracket quantity 1 minus something is there. So this becomes lesser than 1, and the quantity which is given in bracket is less than 1. Ultimately this g dash decreases. So g dash is less than g. Now consider the case if depth h is equal to re. Suppose I have considered that the body is placed at point O. At point O means here h becomes equal to the radius of earth, that is h is equal to re. So putting this value h is equal to re in this equation, g 1 minus re by re, cancelling this re and re, it becomes 1. within bracket 1 minus 1 gives you 0, and ultimately g dash comes out to be 0. So acceleration due to gravity at the center of Earth becomes 0. So here the condition of weightlessness comes as it is observed in space that the acceleration due to gravity is 0. So if the object is placed at the center, it appears or it observes the acceleration due to gravity to be 0. Okay, so this is all about, I have considered 2 points, the effect of depth and the effect of height. In the next lecture, we will consider the effect of latitude and the effect of shape of Earth. Thank you. Press the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the videos.